Welcome to this very simple oil painting class to help you get started. And first of all, we've got a canvas that's 24 by 18 inches, and we're going to take that away, replacing it with a prepared canvas. So in oils, you need to take away that bright white background, and so we've put a dark brown background, and I've put some lines to cut the canvas into thirds, and that's a little grid that will let you keep your composition under control. And you can do any kind of composition that you want, but some people are quite nervous, and this helps you know where to put your main subject, which are these beautiful wild dogs. I think they're cubs or puppies. I think hyenas are cubs, and they are, it's a stunning photograph, and I'm going to do an oil painting of them. So let's get this composition sorted out, and it's quite simply, puppies have quite thin little bodies, but big heads and big ears. So we're going to just sketch that in. And the beauty here is that we can be as rough as we like. I'm just going to tighten that up so it doesn't wobble around. We can put in as much detail or as little detail as we like. This paw comes off here, because at this stage we really are just getting to know our subject, and it's not going to be perfect. And that's really important, that you come into a painting like this nice and relaxed. So just putting down lines. I know if you're a beginner, this is going to be a little bit terrifying, but what happens when you're doing an oil painting is you're observing the whole time, and you will suddenly realize that you have put something in the right place, or you haven't, and you can change it. And that's also the fun of oils, is that because it takes quite a while for a painting to dry, you're kind of forced to take your time. I hope you enjoyed your first underdrawing. So can you imagine what's going to happen when you start going in with the detail, which is what we're going to do once this is dry. We're going to tighten it up, and you've got all those lovely colors underneath. You get this translucent effect because there'll be areas where you leave it or you put another color over the top. It's going to look amazing. We'll see you next time. Bye.